Alright, let's do a video of my bike because I made some big improvements today. I got my parts. So, here is thy bike. God, she looks like a mess. But, look at this. I got my throttle. It's only got a little bit of slip, but that's alright. See, it doesn't do anything, but look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, nice. And I got my you know, my what's that called? Brake lever. English. So yeah, I got this beautiful work of art. It's a very long speedo cable, so I put it through here, around the outside of my suspension to give it that room. And I still got quite a bit down there. I know they're too long, but it doesn't really bother me too much. I got different discs. I'm using a blue one at the moment. I want to use a black one. I might put the black one back on, but I got it. I get it. I'm gonna bring this inside. So yeah, I'm very happy. Very happy. I'm trying to relocate my coolant bottle. But she's looking good. I don't think I have anything else to show. No. But today, let's talk about today. So today I had a pretty bad sleep. I also woke up late. But that's because I had a bad sleep, so I went back to sleep, which then caused me to wake up late. I checked out my models. They dried very well. That center cabinet looks very good, very good. And R1 friend's done these. They look amazing. So very happy with that. I just got to re-chrome all the stuff that I screwed up on. I done a bit of house cleaning. I done quite a bit of work on the motorbike. I probably should use some grip glue. Haven't yet. Grip and cutter. Not sure what that is. Cable lube. I have not used that, and I probably should. And cable lube. Not properly lubing your cables, the installation will cause them to fail. Offer. Well, I probably should lube them, but never done it before. Doesn't mean I can't though. But yeah, today's been like alright. At the moment, I'm watching Good Luck Chuck, the movie. It's pretty funny. And just chatted to a couple people today. Yeah, that's all I can say really. Don't know. Anyway, bye.